Hi guys, Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. Thank you so much for being here all the time to support my channel. For the new subscribers, thank you so much and welcome and feel at home in this amazing channel. Guys, I am so overwhelmed. I am so excited, overjoyed. You know when you're excited for somebody else? Today is my day. Guys, I'm excited for this one guy. His name is Aya Marwa. He is a YouTuber. He has been traveling over 74 countries, guys, making purely content. And his earnings, all the money he gets from all the money from this YouTube channel that he creates. He travels, he brings us content. He's a funny guy. He's a humble guy, genuine guy, pure heart. Okay, if you have never seen down to earth guys who have money but is really down to earth and ready to help anybody who needs help, oh my goodness, you need to go there and subscribe to this guy. His name is Aya Marwa. He is over 500,000. He needs to get into 1 million. We are going to get him into 1 million because he's a good guy. He's an amazing guy. He's a guy who has made a change in his village. Guys, for those ones who don't know what I'm talking about, I have made a couple of videos about this YouTuber. His name is Aya Marwa on my channel. You can go there and look for these videos that I have done so that you can understand the story, why I'm praising, why I'm excited, why I'm overjoyed about this guy. So for those ones who have no idea who I'm talking about, let me talk just a little bit about this guy, Aya Marwa. So this guy, Aya Marwa, he's a YouTuber. So his story is that this guy, he finished one of the universities in Kenya, and then he went to Colombia for a teaching volunteer work. So when he was in Colombia, he was there teaching, and at one point he became homeless. When he became homeless, by the way, he picked up a phone or I don't know, a camera. He started recording videos, putting the videos into YouTube, and that's why he discovered that he loved this kind of content he creates, and this YouTube started earning him money, not a whole lot of money, but a little money. And then he came and found out, maybe if I keep putting more videos on this YouTube thing, it's going to be to give me money. So one of the friends supported him to get a laptop, and he started creating content actually. So he became popular just by creating content in Colombia. He started traveling out of Colombia. He started helping people, opening channels. He started seeing earnings coming to him, and he started using this money now that he gets. It's like a merry-go-round. He started traveling all over the world, and now that guy is smiling to the bank. And that guy has been able to inspire so many people in his community. This guy comes from East Africa, Kenya, in one village that is called Nyabohanse. Nyabohanse is this village between Kenya and Tanzania. It's in the border of Kenya and Tanzania. That's where you find this village in there. And guys, this guy has managed to build a mansion, a villa, a huge, when I'm talking about a villa, is a huge villa in the middle of the jungle, that Nyabohanse. And he has been able to inspire so many youths in the village of Nyabohanse, and those youths now, they have their own channel. Not only youths, but even older people, guys. They have their own channel. Even the mom, the sister, the brother, they all are YouTubers, and they're really doing so well in this YouTube industry. So Aya Marwa, he's a guy who has helped so many, and he's a guy who has a heart, a gold heart. You know, in this world, sometimes it's not easy to find people who can help other people. It's not easy to find people who can open their heart to help the other people. But this guy is purely, I've just been watching this guy, let me tell you, over 5 years. The way I discovered Aya Marwa, you're going to find it on my channel here because I made a video about him, how I found Aya Marwa. You're going to find it on my channel, guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you better subscribe because you want to miss this kind of stories. These are the stories that I love to bring. You know, when I see something good, me as Sumoto Lifestyle, I love to share. This guy comes from the same country that I come from. Aya Marwa's village, and my village is like 2 hours away. So I am not just praising this guy because of what I'm praising him, because of his hard working, guys. He came from nothing. scratch. But this YouTube thing has elevated him. So he is so mega a rich guy, and he has money through purely on YouTube. That's why I tell people this YouTube thing, guys, pays off if you put work. You cannot just open a YouTube channel and just sit there. You know, most of us, we have YouTube channel, but we're not working so hard. You have to put content. Okay, you have to draw the crowd for you so that they can watch what you're creating. So this guy has been, you know, I've been ruining for this guy. I've been watching this guy, how he works so hard. I've been watching how he's helping people. Guys, what? Anyway, let me not go deeper because I can say a lot about how much this guy has been able to inspire so many people. He has put kids in school that are getting sponsorship. You know, you understand what I'm talking about. This is the kind of a man, you know, whoever is inspired touch the people's heart from around the world, and those people are able to say, oh, I'm going to support that child to go to school through I Am Marwa. Through you, I'm going to sponsor that child. Through you, I'm going to pay school fees for that child. Through you, I'm going to buy food for that person. This guy has been able to open his heart, and so many people have fallen into him, and through him, it's like a bridge. So many people or so many kids have been able to go to school who are actually in school right now. Even himself has been able to help so many people, even building the homes in the community. Guys, who I am talking about, I Am Marwa, guys. Oh my goodness, this guy is amazing. So today, why I am so excited, this guy actually is 33 years old. So I'm not quoting because he has already said it's online. He is 33 years old. Guys, in African village, when you are 33, actually, you're supposed to have your own family. It's not a must, but then, you know, nowadays, like things are changing. It depends on what you do. It depends on where you are in life. But Marwa is 33 years old. The mother and the family wants him to have, a wife. So, luckily, you know, God chooses wife sometimes for people. God chose Marwa a wife or a girlfriend. They used to call her a girlfriend, but in Africa, you know, once a woman comes to your house, to your home, and then you're sleeping in the same area, you know, you live there, you're automatically a wife. That's how we call it, okay? Especially where the village that I come from. So Marwa found, let me just call it wife, because she is pregnant, guys, with I Am Marwa's first child. Oh my goodness, Marwa, I Am Marwa is going to have a child, first child. It doesn't matter if it's a girl or a boy. Oh my goodness, we welcome that child with all our heart. We as I Am Marwa fan, I don't know, guys. I was watching this lady. She's I Am Marwa's PA. Her name is Irene Chep. That girl, Irene Chep lady, she is amazing. She's a true APA. She's a trooper to I Am Marwa. So I was watching one of her YouTube live stream. She likes to do live streaming. So I was listening on my way to work. I was listening to her how she was talking about I Am Marwa being pregnant. She was excited, as I am excited now. So she was so excited. She was like, oh, you know, Marwa and Rocio, the wife of El Marwa, her name is Rocio Cabrera. She is from Argentina. So Irene Chep was saying, you know, we as Marwa's fan, it's like Marwa is pregnant and Rocio, but the entire fan of I Am Marwa, we as fans of Marwa, we feel like we're pregnant as well. So I was so laughing so hard. That is the same thing I feel like. And I'm so overjoyed. I'm excited about this pregnancy. I don't know why, because we love I Am Marwa so much. It doesn't matter what you talk about I Am Marwa. We are all human beings. But that guy, what he has been able to do to the world, oh my goodness, who would be happy for her, for Rocio? So this Rocio guy, Rocio, she is this lady from Argentina. As I told you now, she has a heart of a golden. She is so humble. She loves I Am Marwa. They connect like this. They were meant to each other. So Rocio is carrying I Am Marwa, our traveling commando, as he calls himself. It's like, I'm a traveling commando, so we call him a traveling commando. So Rocio is carrying a traveling commando's baby, firstborn, boy or girl, it doesn't matter, baby's a baby. So we are patiently waiting So Rocio actually made an announcement on her channel, which I watched. Oh my goodness, I was overjoyed. I am excited about this couple. So Marwa and Rocio, my goodness, Marwa and Rocio, if you're listening, if you're watching this video, we are so excited for you, as we are the core fans of Aya Marwa and Rocio Cabrera. Oh my goodness, we love you so much. And then I was watching the live stream of Marwa's sister. Marwa has a sister. Her name is Dimwango. She is amazing, gorgeous, beautiful, and she is doing so well in this YouTube journey, because Aya Marwa is the one who introduced her sister to this YouTube journey. So I was watching Dimwango's live stream. I'm a fan of Dimwango and Aya Marwa as well. So I was watching her live stream where she was excited. You know, she was excited that her brother finally is going to be a father. Oh my goodness. She was saying, oh, I am the new auntie in town. You can see how she was excited. I was excited as well. I'm like, gee, you don't know. I am the new auntie in town. She was overjoyed. She can't wait. She's going to spoil that child. I feel like we all are going to spoil that child. Even though I am here, seriously, I live in the US. I feel like I'm going to spoil that child already. I don't know what we're going to do with her. As fans of Aya Marwa, we are going to spoil that child. I'm waiting, like I can't wait to go home so that I will go to Nyabohan's. I'll book my appointment to Irene, who is a PA for Aya Marwa, and I'll make sure I get an appointment to go see Marwa and meet Rocio. Oh my goodness, you guys, we are so excited. So I could not hide my joy. I feel like I needed to come here and share, guys, with you the joy that I have for someone who I met on YouTube here, who is doing so well in YouTube, a content creator that we all, who, if you are a YouTuber actually, it doesn't matter where you live in the world and you don't know this guy, you need to go through my description box here. I'm going to put the link here. Go to this guy and subscribe so that you can learn a lot about this guy. His name is Aya Marwa. Go there, subscribe. And the wife also has a channel. Her name, she calls herself Rocio Cabrera Travels. That's her channel. But through Aya Marwa, you'll be able to see Rocio Cabrera. My goodness. So today's video, guys, I'm so excited. I'm tired, but I'm like, I need to come here and share this good news to the world, because Aya Marwa is a world traveler. So this child is going to be born from the wife from Argentina to the world. So we are expecting right now, as Marwa's core fans, we are expecting right now. So it's not only Rocio Cabrera carrying a baby, we are carrying a baby because we are excited, we are overjoyed. So we really watching this guy, Aya Marwa and Rocio, prosper, and we pray for them. We pray for Rocio's safe travel, because right now they're traveling. Right now they're in Mombasa. You know, Rocio, she's trying to travel here and there, and Marwa is doing really a good job trying to take Rocio around so that she can see our beautiful Kenya. Okay, so we are excited, Marwa and Rocio, and please, my fans, please, all over the world, where you are, make sure you subscribe to this guy. His name is Aya Marwa. Of course, if you have not subscribe to my channel, which is Umoto Lifestyle, guys, go ahead and subscribe so you can see amazing stories like this. Guys, I cannot wait you guys to meet this guy, Aya Marwa, and through my channel you'll be able to see this Aya Marwa. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.